Hello and welcome to our practical video on creating friends and family books as part of the Making Magical Memories campaign in the Night Garden. I'm Jo Baranek, Lead Early Years Advisor at the National Day Nurseries Association. We are a national charity for children's nurseries and we have partnered with In the Night Garden to produce resources for nurseries and parents to use with their children. This activity is taken from Inspiring Imagination section of the nursery guide. It will help children to develop strong personal identity and recognise each other's identities. This supports personal, social and emotional development and understanding the world around them. Create a scrapbook for each child with their family and friends' pictures. Ask parents to bring in photos of the children's family, pets and anyone else special to them in their home lives. Write the names on the photos, so when children talk about their family, you as the practitioner are able to recognise and point them in the right direction in their own book. You can even create your own book as a practitioner and ask the children about the family and pets in your life. This is good role modelling behaviour and language. Why not add materials or photos from the other In the Night Garden activities in the guide to promote making magical memories? For example, here we are adding travel tickets from our journeys outside the setting, as well as pictures of our magical garden with Upsy Daisy. Younger children need support to create their own identity and understand key adults in their lives. Make sure their scrapbooks are available for them to access at all times. This helps with transitions from home and separations away from their parents. Support the older children to share their books with others, talking about the different people and animals in there. Friendship and families feature strongly in the Night Garden. We all have different family setups and friendships, and children should celebrate this as part of their identity.